Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're looking at Cadjpy. What I'm looking at to update for this pair was just a change of our targets, etc. So what I'm thinking with this pair is that price could make a way to the downside. I'm quite bearish on this right now, and I'm just going to give out some a very high time frame um, level in order for me to be bullish or bearish. Sorry. Um, so what I'm noticing now is, we do have a gradual, steady push to the upside, and then we can see how price is very close to this high here. So it could just be a retest that could be potentially happening. But in my eyes, what I'm seeing here is that, there is a lot of movement towards the upside, especially this move here was quite strong. So I'm thinking that price is capable enough to push a bit higher. And then we're going to be looking out for the move here. We're going to take notice just a bit more of how much price can push up, and ideally it could come up to 85, it could go to 83 or 84, somewhere in between. So ultimately, price is capable to push a little bit higher, and then this is where I'll be looking out for my entry points, is to take a short, and I want to see price take out this low here, which is where it starts the wedge. So this is at 78 roughly. So let's just draw in a quick zone here. So price could come into here to take out this prior low. So I think that is a potential target that we could be looking into. Now, what I meant earlier in the video was the higher time frame. So if I just scope out, you can see that we had this wedge pattern, which we discussed a couple of videos ago with Cadjpy, about the higher time frame wedge pattern. Now, for me, what I was looking at is just where this higher time frame invalidation could be. So what I mean by that is, if price goes above this zone here, then I will be considering a bullish scenario. So for now, as long as price stays below 89.0, my bias is towards the downside. So again, that's where this high time frame analysis is looking into. So sometimes it is good to take a step back if you can't see the smaller picture here, which is on the 4 hour. Again, this looks very messy, but if you step out on a weekly, monthly, this can kind of make a bit more sense. So what I'm thinking is, as long as price is able to stay above 89, I will be looking for some bearish scenarios. So when we scope in on a lower time frame, we can see how price is slowly moving up, and it's taking a lot of time, but there is still momentum pushing up, so it's best not to fight it. It's just better to wait for that drop into the market, and then we can start to consider some sell-off opportunities. So again, don't take any aggressive sells, just wait for that momentum, and stay patient, and this could play out quite well. So if price manages to take a turnaround at 83 and we head into 78, it could be a good 500 pip reward there. So a lot of pips up for grabs here if we are able to hold on and just stay patient with this pair. So again, that's all I wanted to cover for this pair. This may take a lot of time to come to fruition. Again, guys, that's why I want to really highlight and stress this. So this isn't really too important for now. This could come to play in the next few weeks or even months or so. So again, don't forget about this pair. Just keep it in the back of your minds and let it run and see how this plays out, guys. So that'll be all from us. If you are new to this channel, we do have a trading group that you can join. The link is in the description. If you do have any other questions, I'm more than happy to answer them. Again, just feel free to send us a message on our Instagram or our Telegram group, and again, I'll be there to help. So that'll be all from us. Thank you very much for listening, and we'll see you all in the next video.